Ever fight a bolt that laughs at your half-inch impact? Yeah, that's when you step up to 3/4 inch power. This is the AIRCAT 1778-VXL 3/4 inch VIBROTHERM Drive Composite Impact Wrench. And today, we're putting it to work where smaller tools tap out. This isn't your everyday tire rotation gun. A 3/4 inch impact like this is built for serious jobs. Axle nuts, suspension hardware, frame bolts, heavy truck work. When torque requirements climb and corrosion sets in, you need something with authority. Let's put it to work. Right here, seized bolt. This is exactly where this tool shines. That's what 1,700 foot-pounds of loosening torque sounds like. No breaker bar, no torch, just controlled impact power. And if you're in a fleet or diesel shop, you're dealing with larger fasteners every day. Stepping up to 3/4 inch impact isn't optional, it's necessary. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. This unit delivers 1,450 foot-pound of max torque and up to 1,700 foot-pound of loosening torque, which puts it firmly in heavy-duty territory. You're also getting a VIBROTHERM drive mechanism, and this is where things get interesting. AIRCAT's patented design reduces vibration by about 30 to 40%, which means less fatigue on your hands and arms during long jobs. Less vibration means more control, less strain, and better precision when you're working around critical components. At the same time, it actually extends tool life by around 50%. So you're not beating the internals to death every time you pull the trigger. It runs at 5,400 RPM with 1,300 impacts per minute, giving you that balance of speed and hammering force. And let's not overlook the AIRCAT muffler system. It's designed to keep noise levels lower than typical impacts in this class. That matters when you're running it all day. On top of that, the composite housing and ergonomic grip keep the weight manageable right around 7.7 pounds and make it easier to control under load. Look, a half-inch impact will get you through a lot of jobs, but when it doesn't, you need a tool that finishes the fight. This isn't about convenience, it's about efficiency. The faster you break hardware loose, the faster you move to the next job. That's how you stay productive in a busy shop. Here's a few quick pro tips. Make sure you're feeding it properly. This tool wants a solid air supply. We recommend a 3/8 inch fitting and a 1/2 inch hose. Keep it lubricated. Air tools live and die by clean, oiled air. And don't forget PPE, gloves, eye protection, hearing protection. Even with reduced noise, this is still a serious piece of equipment. If you're stepping into heavier repair work and need real torque without beating yourself up in the process, the AIRCAT 1778-VXL 3/4 inch VIBROTHERM Drive Composite Impact Wrench delivers. Check it out, put it in your lineup, and let the tool do the hard work. Check out aircat.com for more information and where you can get your hands on one. We'll see you in the shop next time.